So you are going to work with a partner and you're going to get a piece of adding machine tape. And you're going to make your own measuring tape. You're going to fold it in half. And you mark the half as 1. And you got to name it. So I'm going to call this 1. I'm going to call it 1 what? 1 snow-fifth. I don't know what a snow-fifth is, but there we go. Just a random, silly, made-up word. 1 snow-fifth. Then I'm going to fold it in. Oh, I better make sure I recognize if that's 1, then I should also have 0. And 2 is going to be the other end. So there we go. I have 0 snow-fifths, 1 snow-fifth, and 2 snow-fifths. Then I'm going to take that and I'm going to fold it in half again. So you're going to do this, fold it in half again, and now I can measure the halves where I have 1/2 of a snow-fifth, 2 halves, 3 halves, which is the same as 1 and 1/2, and then 2 is the same as 4 halves. Okay, so I'm going to keep folding it. I got halves, then I want fourths, then I want eighths. So you're going to fold it in halves, fourths, and eighths. Then you're going to use your tape to measure 3 things around the room. You want to make sure that all groups are going to measure the same 3 things, but because your lengths are going to be different, they should all be different units of measure.